So okay, now this is the 4 outdoor stations and 1 indoor stations to be configured from the IBM S4000 4200. Okay, so now first you must add the 5 device, 4 outdoor and 1 indoor station. Okay, so now I name the uh, indoor station to indoor, and the main outdoor, and the 3 extensions. So okay, this is the main outdoor, and this is the extension 1, 2, and extension 3. Okay, so now to program, you must link all the device. So first, you go to the main outdoor. Okay, so after go to the main outdoor, you go to intercom. Okay, after intercom, you put door station floor norm 10, door station 0, because this is the master. Okay, now you go registration settings. You just put the admin password. Okay, and then for the IP address, you don't need to put, because this is the main station. Okay, now you go to extension 1. Okay, extension 1, go to intercom, and door station must be door station 1, because this is the extension 103. Okay, so now go to session settings. Okay, after this you add the main door station IP address. Okay, 192.168.1.102. So this is the main. Okay, after that you input the admin password. For what is the admin password? Okay, close, and then you go to extension 2.
Smart 7, smart
Yes.
1 2 3 4 5 6.
Yeah, same. Okay, after that you go again to intercom, then door station floor 1, door station number 2. So this is the number 2, 104. Okay, and then session settings, same, 192.168.1.102. Okay, for the main station, and then you put the uh, admin password. Okay, for extension 3, for the last one, okay, you go to intercom, and then you must put door station 3. Okay, and then after that, session settings, same, main door station IP address for the 102, for the main station. Okay, and then input the password.
Same
and,
IP?
Yeah, same IP, because you will link this this is what you call is the sub door station.
Yeah.
Okay, you must link to this main door station. That's why you put the address to 102. Okay, and then save. Okay, now we will see, we will check if it's already added. So we go to
all active now.
live view. So this is the main door, the extension 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
Okay, so we close.
It's not anywhere.
Okay, after that, let's say we will call to main station. Okay, hello. Okay, so extension 1.
Now you can.
Yes, you can see one by one.
Okay.
Okay, because that's already added now. Okay, so extension 1. Okay, extension 2. Okay, extension 3. Okay, all class.